If you've been uploading your videos through the YouTube mobile app, then this video is for you, because uploading videos the right way is the first step towards getting your 1000 subscribers and views. In this video, I will show you how to upload videos the right way, and towards the end of this video, I'm going to share with you my own strategy that I used in order to gain 1000 plus subscribers in my first YouTube channel. Let's get into it. Once you get to your channel dashboard, all you need to do is go to Google, type in studio.youtube.com. Can you see this? It's going to take you straight to your channel dashboard. This is mine. The next thing you have to do is come here to create. Can you see this? Click on create. Next is upload videos. You click on upload videos. It's going to bring you here. Next is drag and drop video files to upload. Your videos will be private until you publish them. So you have to come here, click on select files, select the video that you want to upload. So I will click on select files. So as you can see, the video is uploading. As you can see here, uploading video now is at 32%. The next thing you're supposed to do is write the title of your video. So my title is how I got my subscribers using YouTube Shorts. So this is the title I'm gonna use for this video. Next is description. Tell viewers about your video. This box here, you have to tell viewers about your video. So I'm going to do this off camera because I don't want this video to be that long. Okay, this is my video description. As you can see here, I did this off camera. The next thing you have to do is thumbnail. You have to set a thumbnail that stands out and draws viewers' attention. So you come here and click here on upload file. You click on it and you upload your thumbnail. This is my thumbnail, as you can see here. The next thing you have to do is playlist. Playlist is very important because it says add your video to one or more playlists to organize your contents for viewers. It helps your viewers in such a way that once they are done watching your first video, they can easily watch your next video. So let's add a playlist to this my video. Go with this one. Yeah, here we go. Next, audience. If it's made for kids, you say yes. If it's not, you click on no. Next is paid promotion. So if your content or your video contains paid promotions like a product placement, sponsorship, or endorsement, you tick this box. If not, you leave it. Altered contents. This also, if your video makes a real person appear to say or do something they didn't do or say, you click yes. If not, you click no. Next is automatic chapters. Here, always make sure this box is ticked. Always make sure this box is ticked. For future places, always make sure this box also is ticked because it increases your video visibility. Next is automatic concepts. The same, always make sure this also is ticked. The next is tags. Tags can be useful if content in your video is commonly misspelled. Always make sure you add tags to your video. I'm going to do this off camera because I don't want this video to be long, but in order to add tags, it's very easy. All you need to do is just write in some of the keywords in your video, like for example short, you put a comma and that's it. I've added tags to my video. As you can see, I did this off camera. Yeah. For language, select your video language and caption certification. If known, you leave it known. Recording date and location, you add in the recording date and you add in your video location. For license, always make sure this is standard YouTube license, please, and make sure these boxes are ticked. These two boxes allow embedding and publish to subscription feeds and notify subscribers. Can you see this? Publish. Once you tick this, it means you're telling YouTube, yes, you can publish my video to subscriptions or to subscribers feed and also notify subscribers that I have uploaded a new video. So please make sure this box is always ticked. Short remixing, if you want to allow video and audio remixing, you tick on this. If you don't want it, so just make the choice here. Next is category. Let's see, if your video is about autos and vehicles, take here. If your video is comedy, take this. If your video is education, entertainment, others, Yeah, just choose the right one that fits your video. I'm going for education. Then you can fill out the other boxes as you can see. For content rating, always make sure your comments are on. Moderation, you can choose if you want known, if you want basic, strict, whole, all. Make the choice. Sort by, you can also make the choice here. If you want it to be sort by the top or the newest, just go with whatever you want. Next, we are done with details. We move now to video elements. For video elements, you can add subtitles to your videos. You can add an end screen. It's very simple. Just come here, click on add. Then we will go with this one video, one subscriber. You can go with one video, one subscriber. Let's go with this one. Yeah, then you click on save. Next is add cards. You can also add cards. All you need to do is come here, click on add. Then you click on the video you want to add. You click on this one, and this is it. When your video is playing, this one is going to show your next video so that if they're interested, your subscribers can keep watching. All what you need to do is to click here on save. Your cards have been saved. Can you see this? Next, you click on next for checks. So for checks, our checks, they say copyright, no issues found. Our video is safe. We are 100% sure that this video is ours, is original. And the last part is visibility. This is the game. When it comes to visibility, can you see the options here? We have private, only you and people you chose can watch your video. We have unlisted, anyone with the video link can watch your video. We have public, everyone can watch your video. But this is it. Let me tell you, do not publish your video immediately. No. You have to schedule your video. This helps the YouTube algorithm to understand your video, study keywords, make sure it understands the tags, like make sure you understand the SEO so that it starts understanding what your video is. Then the algorithm will make your video in such a way that it will suggest your video to the people who are searching for your videos. So you have to schedule your video. Do not publish your video immediately. Schedule it. This is what most of these big YouTubers they do. In fact, in my first channel, this is what I do all the time. I don't publish my video immediately. What I do is I schedule it. This makes the YouTube algorithm to understand your video, understand keywords, suggest your video to the rightful audience, suggest your video to understand your video. It's like you're feeding the mind of the algorithm to understand your video, like you're giving it time to understand your video and then suggest your video to the people who are searching for your video online. So I'm going to schedule this for today 8 p.m. Yeah, so today, so I've given algorithm almost 4 hours to study our video, understand the contents of this video, understand keywords, understand everything about this video. So this is the time we have given algorithm 4 hours of digesting the video so that once the video goes public, it will know exactly those to suggest this video to. So please, from henceforth, do not publish your video immediately. Please schedule it so that the algorithm can understand keywords, understand the message behind your video, understand your video very well so that it can suggest it to the rightful audience. Okay, next is you click on schedule. So our video has been scheduled. You can see your video will be set to public on June 19, 2025 at 8 p.m. So at 8 p.m. this video is going to go public. That's it on how to upload videos on YouTube. As simple as that.